Smart AI Manager Review 2026. Is this AI tool worth it? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you use ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Midjourney, or other AI tools on a regular basis, you probably have one big problem: keeping track of everything you create. You might have an important prompt buried inside an old ChatGPT conversation, an image sitting in another AI platform, and project files scattered across different folders. And that's exactly the problem Smart AI Manager claims to solve. It promises to give you one central place to organize, search, and manage your AI-generated work across different platforms. But is it actually useful? Is it worth the price? And most importantly, is Smart AI Manager legit, or is it just another AI tool with a good marketing page? In this video, I'll break everything down for you. So let's get started. So, what exactly is Smart AI Manager? In simple terms, it's positioned as an AI organization and memory platform. The concept is pretty straightforward. Instead of keeping your AI work separated across ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, image generators, documents, and browser tabs, Smart AI Manager aims to bring your AI activity into one organized system. The platform promotes features such as AI memory, universal search, smart collections, project organization, browser capture, and workspaces. The main idea is that you shouldn't have to remember exactly which AI tool you used or where you saved something. You should simply be able to search for what you're looking for and find it. And for people who use AI every day, that could potentially save a lot of time. So how does Smart AI Manager actually work? The basic workflow is designed around capturing your AI work and organizing it automatically. First, you connect or use supported AI platforms through the system. Then, when you're creating content, prompts, conversations, or other AI assets, you can capture that work. Instead of manually copying everything into a separate folder, the platform is designed to make the process much easier. Once your content is inside the system, you can organize it around projects, topics, clients, or collections. And then comes one of the most important parts: search. Let's say 3 weeks ago you created a ChatGPT prompt for a YouTube campaign. You don't remember the exact conversation title. You don't remember the date. And you don't remember where you saved it. Instead of going through hundreds of conversations, the idea is that you can search for something like YouTube marketing campaign. And Smart AI Manager is designed to help surface the relevant content. That's the basic concept behind the platform. Now let's talk about some of the main features. 1. Universal AI memory. The first major feature is what the platform describes as a universal AI memory system. The goal is to keep your AI work accessible in one central location rather than leaving everything isolated inside individual AI platforms. This could be particularly useful if you're constantly switching between different AI tools. 2. Universal search. Next is universal search. This could potentially be one of the most useful features. Instead of remembering file names or exact conversation titles, the system is designed to help you find content based on what it is about. For example, you could search for Facebook ad prompts, real estate content, client landing page, or even something as simple as AI YouTube scripts. The idea is to make your previous AI work much easier to recover. 3. Smart collections. Another feature is smart collections. These are designed to help organize related content together. For example, imagine you're working on a single marketing campaign. You might have scripts, prompts, images, research, ad copy, and other AI-generated content. Instead of manually sorting everything, smart collections are intended to help keep related work together. 4. One-click capture. The platform also promotes browser-based capture. This is important because organization tools often fail when they create too much extra work. If you have to manually copy every prompt, download every file, rename everything, and organize it yourself, eventually you'll stop doing it. So the idea of capturing AI work with minimal effort is definitely interesting. 5. Client and team workspaces. Another potentially useful feature is workspace organization. If you're a freelancer or agency owner, you may have multiple clients. You could potentially organize your AI work according to different clients or projects rather than mixing everything together. For heavy AI users, this could make the workflow much cleaner. So who is Smart AI Manager actually for? First, content creators. If you're producing YouTube videos, blog posts, social media content, thumbnails, scripts, and marketing materials using AI, this type of organization could be useful. Second, freelancers and agencies. If you're managing multiple clients and using AI for different projects, keeping everything organized becomes much more important. And third, heavy AI users. If you're using 5, 10, or even more AI tools every day, having one place to find your previous work could potentially save you a lot of time. But if you only use ChatGPT occasionally, you may not need something like this. Now let's talk about the offer. The official Smart AI Manager page currently advertises a promotional one-time payment of $14.95, compared with a claimed regular price of $297 per month. The page also promotes lifetime access and commercial use benefits. However, keep in mind that software offers and promotional pricing can change. So if you're watching this video later, always check the official checkout page for the current price, terms, refund policy, and what's actually included. And remember, don't buy something simply because the discount looks huge. The important question is whether you will actually use the software. So let's quickly go through the pros and cons. You get a centralized place for AI work. The universal search concept is useful. It can potentially reduce the time spent looking for old prompts and conversations. Project and client organization could be valuable for freelancers and agencies. And the advertised one-time pricing may be attractive compared with another monthly subscription. The biggest thing to remember is that you should verify the actual integrations and features before purchasing. AI platforms change frequently, so compatibility can change as well. You should also review the privacy policy carefully before storing sensitive conversations or client information. And finally, if you don't use many AI tools, this platform may simply be unnecessary for you. So, is Smart AI Manager worth checking out? In my opinion, the concept is definitely interesting. It's trying to solve a real problem: my work becoming scattered across too many different platforms. If you're a creator, marketer, freelancer, agency owner, or heavy AI user, the ability to organize and search your AI work from one place could be genuinely useful. But don't buy it just because of the marketing claims. Check the current offer, supported platforms, privacy terms, refund policy, and make sure the features match your workflow. If it solves a problem you already have, then it could be worth considering. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more AI tool reviews. I'll leave the official Smart AI Manager link in the description if you want to check it out yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.